Jetia Cabreso, information at for live on a Kuma Radio 97.1. Cachonia, not a Suka Chenia. Asenya Frashe, a Prate Pukwati, Kuti, Pukwet, Wobo, Dabi, Pukwati Pa, Judgment Meti. Yanitesa Mofo Piabu Papa. Parliament Sport, Awayanibaya. Omebim. Yanitia, some Mofo Piabu Papa. Te Wawutie, we are Bruta. We are Scutios Pampanapa, Ozonga Gazinga Ganga. We are Superbricious. And yet, just where, She, Pukutirapa, Mubatibante, Guinea Bissau. Hey, Aquepa, Guinea Bissau. They are just wasting the chances. And a Porbedia Pratia, Tapi, Stephen Bro. Rofiachi Friedman, Eddie Steve Ambro, Krobia Steve Ambro.
Yeah, and what you my way in the defense of Egyptians, you know, on no more Yirisuye Papa, on no more Yirisuye Hamdi, and then Gazi, Osha said on no more roster. But so far, clear chances are in the game, no 3, no 2 to Miakwama, and the Guineans, you know, Guinea Bissau for no. Then Mo Salah chance now and also no the shorter I hate it bano. I think these are the clear chances I am to me but and one amiguso America say one man sheni na chances are womunya no woman to me utilize yeah bet to me akwana say akwete but the way Egyptians no bono I'm not impressed about it at all, not at all. If this is the way they are going to play it will be very difficult and this game crampo will be very difficult. They say we to me clinch the 3 points said they are if they are not going to change their approach any players you know one more instincts in the box from the way one more Guinea operating I don't think that one more boni and they have to lift up
Manchester United 2 Aston Villa 2 82 minutes. Hey Rade, wow. Ete Aston Villa 2 Manchester United 2 Yapo 82 minutes live on a Kuma Radio 97.1 Ete yes to me live over YouTube Ete Kacho de Ashe Akwani Perpasio ye ateva so Kine Dabi Iti Turata Ete Fone Bodepa Wampe Koyako She Woman Podefio, Rafi, Nasu Rafi, Archie Friedman, Nasu Rafi, Archie Friedman, Adiamabo Kwati, Ate Guinea Bissau, Woman Papa, a Prete Jefferson, number 15 Shanta Chelsea, Arma Guinea Bissau. Mr. Chilimbra, 0551 66 77 55 0551 66 77 55 Nasa 270 191 971 the PLTF Mayatonka Yantonka Woko YouTuber Amma for trend papa you do 10. It's an estimate by you do 10. Zikipi Arauma. When you had a trope, na hate him. And Tuba, watch your YouTuber. No more subscriber, you hit the subscribe button, you know, then it goes to make break. What a game! Sankrafune 2 dia has obian shebia na masena matinia motio ne abetini asemo krobia Bissau Pratana eba Guinea Bissau Bomo search for it Guinea Bissau Tapi Yasubode Philips for Egypt which am now Pratia Swati Manafi Joshi 70 Rata Mohamed El Sani what about Nepa on any Rata what am I Mohamed Al Hassan and then Mohamed Al Hassan Mo Salah hey Pratia Mustafa Mohamed La Haila La Samla Ramar Rahim Egypt I hate a bar 2 times Krobia.
Yeah, I brought Mustafa Mohamed Galatasaray almost forward. I think he should have buried this chance for once. And exactly the position Mohamed Salah shot to no Haiti and hope prepare into so far almost to me Haiti bam makumakumienu and I think at least a goal should have come out of these 2. Look at it. Wow. And Kebe nice goal. I think there one more lefty, one more up in the box, and they need to be efficient. Box they need to be very clinical. Box but so far, in your end-to-end action, exactly chances are Egyptians creating same as any Guinea Bissau for them to create, and Mayford in India is being dominated and mashed by Guinea for and Salah no more and Mohamed and Nani but so far it's been end-to-end action.
So far so good. Gabriel I have a year papa. He has linked security service and he account for Tiamau. The quarter Saudi Pepia. So Tio Stevie the quarter. Go TV the quarter. Mese Afcoin. Kai Saraso. As a UEFA Champions League. UEFA Champions League. English Premier League. Spanish La Liga. Matches be up a social piano. EOS Lane Security Service. The quarter be up a piabina. Fred Perifo. Also 241 66 72 85. Yaso papa. And now Tiafaso. Bonabedi. Apratiate. Eri Ausulia. Sulia Pie. Neso. Goalkeeper. Jonas Mendes. Wachibano. Portable Quatirich. Neso Rafi. Achifri Vaterema Pratioma. Apratia Omar. So far so good. Omar. Egypt. Guinea Bissau. Achobuse. Se Maza. That time na mu Egypt and yamfa mu nyehwe kra. Krobia.
Oh yeah, and so far the one match pa one more boss me for no one more no one corner end to end action, and I think if this how they are also going to play out till the end, yeah, will be kind the end, never justify their means, and I don't think when we go to me Aboni say the Egyptians will come in with an experience, having this crop of players are one more yet tough. So far as this competition is concerned, any the pedigree of Egypt, I don't think they can hold the Egyptians on as they are, or we are seeing a bad thing, and Kakranga to me at then it will open the way.
It's a way at a message diaba. I see a friend that's hine. That's your baby hine. What's what here from a pew? A good job, Guinea Bissau will win by 2-1. Greetings to good master of and a family in India. It's a master of Bampo and in the phone in India. That's it. As you are papa. That's it too. Joe Samba. Master Fair also do to na Joe Samba. Joe Samba. Another now way. Master Fair than now way. And your Master Fair than now way. Most of it with the upper. So 5-5-1. 6-6. Guinea Bissau. Toppy. World Cup goal kick. So 5-5-1. 6-6. 7-7. 5-5. Text message and now say 0270 191 971 Mubet with the message diaba. Or Command 297.1. The writer commentator alongside Kwapia Sante and the AK and the Achipanya yet the live commentary at Yopa. Who bet me? I said the predictions wrong. Adiafa Aya YouTube or Command 297.1. A part to me back in Katiamau 23 minutes and shot the first half. Wobia Shebie. Wobia Shebie. Guinea Bissau and Shebie. Egypt as well Shebie. What a game! What a game! My message number after 2021 Cameroon and host so far 3 teams now qualify. Cameroon are qualify. Arco round of 16. Morocco so qualify. And then Nigeria as well qualify. So far 3 teams now qualify. Body quality in Egypt. And the Achia box premeditation. Next body offside. Next body offside. What a game! What a game! Indeed, this is the total Africa Gulf Nations 2021 Euro Cameroon. A pretty team at the Premier County. I say, Aquawipa. Mese team near solid papa. Kofi Okoriachmai, head of sports, HOD no. Woko technical school. Na omisa say who is your HOD? Na oye first time auntie, and your friend HOD pe waso be eshi. No komisa kwame say kwame, what is the meaning of HOD? What is the meaning of HOD? A pratiate Pekweti Sova Wakoti yellow card. Pekweti Sova 88 HOD Awoda Aye Sports National Aye Kofi Okoriachmai AK Krobia Sante Kwame Senegal Oya bruta papa Chef Ekufu Puote Kokote Hene The boy no be the shaking commentator. Utu amanfo akoma papa the boy. The finest. No Kwame Perry. No Tamia. Mr. Mo Obed tieni mu ati adi dem kama pa. Obed. We brutal. DJ CKP. DJ Vibes masole na make say na masole. DJ Tony, DJ Tozi, Sasso, and a Parkway CPK, Way Bruta. General Manager, Mr. KP, Way Bruta, papa. Coffee coach, also Jutu, coffee coach, Jutu. Now no bias, right there. Ubo dina family tinka, coffee coach, Jutu. Ti coffee coach, Mamichia. Michia na se Michia yena to fanwa, masobeshi coffee coach, Jutu. Coffee coach, we bruta papa. And yet it's for na tepraka. Next week, Wapeja Tapi, Wama Bonafio. Samme wame ayo piche Egypt samme wame eni atiafa so Egypt for never Sovana Tapi abrante mama eni mama inodo abanede inode mama body number 17 shot jersey ɛnum abuwa kuwati ɛti Guinea Bissau wɔgye bɔ na enyuma bɔtɔ man sɛ mama no te o papa no te o if you want to kill me die da ɛnna mama ajo mama n'aba no mama ejemo wɔ pia bɔ so tɛ pa so Guinea Bissau wɔde mama ɛnna mama no te o wɔ kyɛ bɔ tɛ pa so ɛde ma protete ɛde kante kanel bɔ na kɔlɛkyi wɔ pia wɔahyɛ sport number 15 tɔsi abrante Jefferson de peje goalkeeper Hamid Shanari Watimono abrante mama mama te watching the samba papa mami show pm ta short from afar taxi driver snail pm we a taxi driver na so drive no pm jutu ene we bruta mame mo sabane kakra oya nganga zingaga oya mazingaga gonzi ganganga ene oya waduduru ngaganga ene osomto so me ho taxi driver osomto so me ho ene atia faso tapi YouTube 2021 YouTube ate papa echani suwa YouTube echani suwa YouTube esu join wa YouTube ya papa abone we prostate ade asrafa bodepa asrafa we pia bo so tapaso santa sako echam ndema prote Abdallah kuma goalkeeper moment Pramo mo pia bo so tapaso at the moment Ahmed Monepa we pia bo so tapaso echam ndema prote ade Sulia bono ko chite pap Sulia we pia bo so echam bonmo Momata Salikoto echi fonapa apretenity Abdallah Sad Abdallah we pia bo so tapaso ade Mashraf ashove tebo tabi abretioma krapia sante.
Yeah, I think the game no any heading power and the way I may expect to say game I think the changes have been changes have been and the Guinea Bissau for no a game ni proper and they are not giving any stone on 10. Oh share them made for the Egyptians and I don't know one way down made for the no empty at all Obibia anywhere and womunya bona flanks one left right flanks one honomuna women's Mosala in the first minute to the 5th minute Obemu and after that hit they said down who Mosala bio and it seems still because your first game you answer the but second game if say you answer the Mosala betumi ahadwen and onone a particular player in the Egyptians any dance so even the colleagues on one mobile say okunimu yedin one more branch be to say Mo Salah I don't know betumi ayden etumi etwitwa jo so I'm expecting much from Abrante friend Mo Salah being the captain of the side too leadership qualities they saying so then organization anyhow it is a one more transit from back to the midfield to the attack and I saying you Jumadan say one more use long balls need to mean ko Abrante friend no enkana any new Fali Kunde one ye Juma ewo laterals what they ama any Guinea Bissau for no laterals one more heading so the flanks of any new Egyptians Umama moves any moves Salah and said and function said they expect so they should find other means I will go to me penetrating in the defense of a Guinea Bissau for me.
It's a Krabia Sante and a Tenecano. Boys no tier, one more tier. So a PM. A mouth for a PM. A mouth for a PM tier. A Pratia tier. Jefferson. Counter. Watch a yellow card. Dangerous position. Mesema message number 0551 66 77 55 0551 667755 and now so 270 191 971 Messi yaso jano yaso pa yaso pa flight number 97.1 ye two number pia Podium free kick Elbow Quarty added the Pharaohs of Egypt prepare upon the tunnel and we Papa Salana Babo Krabia Sante.
Yeah, this a great position. I enable to me a favorable, very, very favorable position, but a muchigakra and I'm not, who Salah and they know to me I say free kick from that far, but let's hope for a positive from any free kick. No, but I think that if not anyone, a branch of friend or Ashraf for also quite good in taking such free kicks, and maybe a Dano just in between the 18-yard box, middle and at the end. Salah and Shedan ye very good when taking free kicks from that angle. If they call far left kakra, and yes, a Honoman can do position who ya so a left-footed and could be to me utilizing the but they be a Dano they mean just Said is quite okay because Salah crown osha watching on kakra because and that is favorable position at all and that baby a Salah be to me the age at all.
Body of free kick. Number 2 Tabi Abonipa Egypt and Yatia Faso Tabi Pretty moment Salah Wako frate at the sample to pray Swafa Wako to sample to pray Swafa live commentary. You bought 84 minutes. I got 85 minutes. And now 35th minute. Hey. 35th minute. And now tell us who. Pour me the protete. And the most of a moment of pressure. Toby. Buakwati. And the Pharaohs of Egypt. Pressure. Woman soakinessa, Swafa. Woman soak pressure, sir. Swafa. Oh, Mammitia, you buta. So, PM. Boys never PM. Moya bruta, papa. Moya scutios, Ozonga Naganga. Aprate mama no teo, yeah, papa no teo. If you want to kill him, make a die. Te what would ye? Guinea Bissau, one more 17 sentences. Your friend mama, auntie, ya told mama. No mamma, what is my friend say? And my friend, mama. Yeah, to came so. I'll probably Bobo Quarty and Egypt. They are swinging their passes together. What can they do? Passes the ball to my 12th one. Ashrafa will pitch a goalkeeper. Jonas Mendes. Watch upon it, Paso. Eddie Mabo Quarty, Guinea Bissau head coach Carlos, Mr. Carlos, which the total was Allah. Alpha. What canto? We Piata Paso. 5 sentences. Abrate Camara and Bolipa. Camara. We Piaman Swat Tasakope. Echabano. Ashes was a sister Jesse. The Sabatiacano. A Pabri. Wokwati. And Guinea Bissau. Wopia. Mama Chabamata Paso. And Abrate. Retene Canti. Tapi. Abrate Canti. Prama Canti. Bonamua. Aprante Kanti Ponmua Aprante Kante Ponmua Woko YouTube a ama fa twane papa moyo scootios ozoma ene mameka auza kakra ene moyo kola afia lo eno para mi tubla ene ateva so aprate tiria sof wa sofre bodepa a sofre piepia tabi turada aprate tinioma na so bodetu yako kole kikere babo 14 and the Pharaohs of Egypt. Yeah, about 37 minutes inside the first half. 37 minutes equal 58. Ayre Sebenta, Aston Villa and Manchester United 8-2 Amapon. Player of the match Bruno Fernandes. Yeah, that's it. And you have Pedro goalkeeper Jonas Mendes. What Pierre Bono? Che, ateva so. It's for never. Wamante Praga. It's for never. Samuel goalkeeper. Wapio Rafi Sole. Yamaseba Chapo. Ateva so. Pone say. Ababadi Abrati. Number 22 Saturday. Oma. And ya kwache. Yachibo de Frisi. Abrante Camara. And Yoba. Apa Oma. Kwapia Sante.
Wasteful. Opo ejuma oye nyina. Sheboa or to me boy. You who players Mustafa Enu Said any also there. Wominina anymore or my territory but or yes all ball one touch shot and I don't think say this a collective ejuma was a winner because Mumina Mobile the glory of the national team and I'm pursue such chances when he has a one cause I'll be shooting but in all no I think it's a end-to-end game behind this particular game no Egypt before no should be very careful. They should be very, very careful.
Egypt for no and your mama nabano mama Tema Camara na Bonepa is Santa Seco Naso Bonese a Protier number 50 Santa Jesse and Mabo Quanti and Guinea Bissau Pona Tevaso Tapi one Paracolochita Paso Animal 20 Saturday a Protier and Tedder Iopa Opa Bonafa it's a career penny Woman Polifio Woman Bonifio and over Petabono Egypt Mohamed Salah Tabi hey Egypt for me serious ni Egypt for me serious Egypt for me serious ba go posi hey appreciate Edioma come Epetebono Elopa Sagati yibodi fiose head coach Guinea Bissau Zero Kante watch the touchline and watch suspects come up and your mama Dabi when your mama ana mama yeah mama betio mama gaga na ya mama mama me yabre and the 84 never no Debbie Bracheti Ediambed Hegozi for you bono fiokra pressure Ayra Sebenta Ayepa Sebasa at Barcelona Menya that's so menya Butu at Sebuta and your more Mesalo goalkeeper Jonas Waybon Bra Jonas Jonah Mikos Kubium make up Hey Fisherman Mikos Kubium Dururi Fisherman Corner kick 41 minutes pressure Mohamed Papin Amatoto Salah Obidina Diamano Cabra and Asale Pecho Akwepa 8 abos no kobe Sizaki Kabo Krobia Zante
I say say I know one way to me left here their game. We share Egyptians now too quick in the corner kicks are almost to me now. And goalkeeper Jonas Mendes has been fantastic so far. Upon a home because we can organization at the back, the reflexes, and the timing of so the BP now a clear ball needs I know man. I think why Juma so far and Egypt for normal men so say they have to get the opener within this half before answer our mobile call break, and I'm seeing that from them say mobile to me at least a goal, but it could go other way too because we share so our counter just like one any more on the ancient and function but chances are call my final if say Egyptians no by now one way to me
and now a star coach Toby, what a drive a Brantati El Sulia Emiliano head coach and now say as the coach Ermabo Kwati El Guinea Bissau body depression El Babrantia Dene sorry money and you just for never know and you're sorry money Pecha what a save pressure Kropia, I got 2 minutes in a professor, but pressure.
3 corner kicks and Oshe shot. I would of course. I'm going to say Jonas Mendes. Why you do my papa? The last 5 minutes, he on our way to me about the boy in the side. We put in inside, in a good shape. Power will rescue him. If not that, and now they would have been a go down.
So far, so good. Guinea Bissau champion. Egypt so champion. Egypt for no what? That be here. Give me some for no what? Till we have any sorry born fast. Oh. Steve. Abri. Ref say hey. Nothing you can't do that. Kekele getting here. Now better go thing. So leave there. What a game! What a first half! Goalkeeper Jonas Memphis, he has been so superb in the goal post of Guinea Bissau this evening. And woman pitcher Dabi and Abratia smarting my 50 jersey. Wapia Abratia take go with the bonate. Yes, sir. Share. Aquarius John. Papa. Dabi, you can't do this. Bonababadi. Womapia. It's just funny, Pobi, Rafi, Pacific, Dabi, Hawan, Ni Mani. Abba, I already do long tintintis echo register. Wama Pechachi for the Pobi, Apratia Shrub, which happened to Yamoma, or Master Tete, Extra Swatina, and son number 14 and Mustafa Dabi. Wapecha, Nasu goalkeeper, Jonasa, Mendes, Woko YouTuber, Amafo show YouTube, Papa, Amafo show YouTube, we are brutal. YouTube number share about 40 pe. No masate albaso. No, anye. Te woba YouTube and watch share mama share. Like it. Comment it. Drop your comment our YouTube. Rofi for the portrait. Krobia Sabin.
Yeah, it was a high intense game in the to me share. Said I may expect to say Egyptians will be to me akon. Me say them who that resilience, that hunger no from any Egyptians no. We share a team of all teams. Na any no obi catch say these are and I say Egypt na team no what dominated this competition, and losing your first game now your second game say now be born there. I don't think say idea so any cry, and the way I may share say if the Ghana Black Stars are yebo game say how anka yen comment ni ade be fa new man fa, and to say one more NHBB. Carlos Cruz said the Amidi can kind of Obina Jumana to Kama Diamano. And this Egyptian side, one Jenny, Nyoma to me for us. 2019, we went to me and perform me. 2017, they were runner up. So, we share the last 3 editions. I am to me a corner. This particular one, they were almost starting. No, me impressed at all. And me who, if they are going to, based on, and I said they are going to dwell on. A branch of friend Muhammad as a their anchor man. I don't think say one more mail for any other team be able to me punish one on any day. Okay. And they need to check that particular place here. And Openeo Carlos Cross or Wejuma because this team there may share them who anything we be or one more efficient Mohamed Salah Mamouche one more Juma and chances proper chances able to me the proper results and as a correct results Abano Nina has gone in there the Guineans favor. So I'm hoping for the second half to me I changes be to me but for now first half it's been good for any Guinea Bissau for one more actually BBI because they are playing against the creme de la creme so far as this competition is concerned.
All right, so Krobia Sante and I'll take our first department Egypt and Shebi Asasuna Guinea Bissau and so Shebi wait about our YouTube Rex in God hey I've not did there I don't hear Yamiana also must win for Egypt and he want to start dropping there to by YouTuber na also what do message na dia to bantama ye back kind the amount now Pia Street we are first department of the game Guinea Bissau Shebi Asaso and Abubo Kwantin at Egypt so and Shebi okay ebe take over.
Celebrating African ways, African loving African people, African youth, African kings and African queens.
Africa, born Africa to serve. And everybody come together as one. We'll rise. Africa tonight.
My people know we go conquer. We stand for Africa. If we do all together, we sing for Africa. We go conquer. We stand for Africa. If we do it together, we sing for Africa. Africa unite. Get us now. Italy, Galeal, Tazenandi. Mondial, the Mustabal. With a heritage and spirit that never dies, the African dream will always survive. Ici c'est la Terre Sainte, la patrie des dieux, bienvenue sur la terre-mère.
So at the end of the first 45 minutes, Guinea Bissau 0, the Pharaohs of Egypt 0.
Você sabe que as crianças são futuro.
Pressure bas.
Para a próxima geração.
Docteur pour l'Afrique de Djibouti au Sénégal. Comme bandit, tout ce que je fais c'est soulever le Graal.
Mohamed Salah Eshe Sanka Nego betumi ato eye Guinea Bissau for atenemu. Asentumi ankobane sa. Ameni no fedi kan nyina tuma ba wiye 0-0. And a total African Cup of Nations. Maroko PMO with the English Premier League. Manchester United after so new to me a 2-0 in the first half no. And after taking 2-goal lead, it's me now Aston Villa to take no. Emmanuel 2-2. Abrantia Felipe Coutinho. It's me making a debut game at Aston Villa. They provide the assist. And I feel Surenya second goal at the Aston Villa. Man United 2, Aston Villa 2. 90 minutes, a body of ye. I tell my you go to the class, you are full as I charm. I think you answer no. But I will pay more Cameroon, the Egypt in Shebi, Guinea Bissau, soon Shebi. Robia Santoa. But I remember, I come for ES-Link Security Services and Famao. The poor defending. ES-Link Security Services may come for the amount.
They may see a banner here, DSTV decoder, Go TV decoder, antennas, security cameras, phone accessories, personal phones are ES Link Security Services na make for the amount. I'm everywhere Kuapim. Everywhere Kuapim. From 0241 667285 0241 667285.
Everybody come together as one, we'll rise. Africa tonight. Sound of the line.
My people know we go conquer.
We stand for Africa.
If we do all together,
We sing for Africa.
we go conquer.
We stand for Africa.
If we do it together,
We sing for Africa.
Africa unite. Get us
I ain't your fair toss me in the best here. Everyone said, I'm in Cockrobiana, senior, a fair toss me in the best here. No, I don't so everyone have Jumanis, idea. Cobia, a fading cannabis in a year 0-0. What are you expecting in a second half between two coaches, Coach Adema Guinea Bissau and I feel some coach Adema the Pharaohs of Egypt approach Bain and I will share some between media come changes Bain and I will share tactically changes Bain I will share say especially Egypt for beating because Kobanisa normal Kobo draw associate beating and Egypt approach Bain going into the second half will share from both coaches.
Yeah, okay, on the side of Egypt because any woman be that bonnet. Sometimes Guinea Bissau there we are there and this is not a team may expect to say be to me abe make history be tournament we mu intino eni nyina no ebe Egypt upon one stars awomo no uko ali team ni mu a players awomo ali team ni mu modern ball womo conquer Africa Ecobo World Club Cup ni ade na just experience are these players in Ankasenya how competitive they've been on the shores of Africa and even in the Egyptian national team ni mu playing World Cup qualifications going to World Cup the experience our consistency in the competition African Cup of Nations I think that we all expect much better from the awomo into Carlos Queiroz miama medin kan ohwe kwanga na muso a papa ni be pm it's not like manager no hono Samuel Badri it's not like now onye because playing over 15 games without even a lot there now things the modern money so but due to another down to any management any Egyptian na we consider certain situation bo awomo bono wo mo kira enya de fabia ne ade ntino wo mo emano o show no the exit door and they want more Carlos Queiroz with the experience on also ewo the European scene any baby away to me coaching ni coaching career ni receiving as a whole said ya a waiter a woman ni ade and awomo de akofa na ba intino you expect much more not just ahead of a tournament now Saki will manage our own to me lose a single game. Now, ukofa coach Fufroba meaning say we are willing to clinch the ultimate, ube for the ultimate, and being the said the Abidi can kind the claim of any African football. Womona the way African tournament enko. If say womu niwa ana womu aka no so no etumi eden enya BJ into this time round for about 3 to 4 seasons I young to me out bodies by any competition you know womu to me and womu hope say womu be to me ache anything I womu sake other coaches are womu to me abo ejuma dia ma so they will be expecting match and even we Africans in our expecting match 7 times winners money say any and kamujina pitches but different tactics of play different ball you say we no na over Africa really and who call the Egyptian league in one of the best league I ever Africa players everything wɔn nyinaa na ɛyɛ best because wɔn players na wɔn boy winning this couple of trophies no ɛwɔ ha no mo so much will be expected from them right now wohwɛ the midfielder I will wish Carlos say ɔde aberante bi ti sɛ Zizo ebetumi abemu Mohammed Sharif nso ebetumi ɛde na abemu even Mohammed Sharif ball behind and I say in between Umar Mamouche and Mohamed Salah then arrowhead of no Mustafa Mohamed then Mohammed Sharif will be playing in between them. I think said the Martin Rowe betumi aboa wɔn kakrana add some efficiency up front because no so yɛ one person ɔno no yɛ arrowhead edema in alali team no ne modern ball enso etumi aso ni wɔ league ni mu ene CAF Champions League ni nyina no ne modern ball etumi aso ni but aha no mo no
but talking of substitution Egyptians no also mo yɛ no Abrante needed Mohamed Trezeguet bench. Sounds like your Ramadan Sobi bench with a kind of player. This players, it's my ball. The Egyptian national team Mohamed Trezeguet. Players are almost my power. Sounds like Ramadan Sobi with the experience when you're from the under 23 of the Egyptian national team and even playing in the Egyptian league itself. Yeah. Now I call England, Bana still back into the Egyptian league. Not all Bonnie. They don't do things there. Coach introducing these two players, Ramadan Tobi and Abrante and Mohamed Trezeguet, would rather help them than so in your back for any other player. Because when you have more attacking players in the second half, so a goal so much so almost a bit like Mohamed Trezeguet, Ramadan Tobi in the second half.
Yeah, okay. This time, per first half, if that is anything to go by, I think that one more need midfield balance and. As a team, midfield in terms of transition area, it will be very hard to supply your attackers with creative balls and any idea won't be to me as go. And midfield, is nowhere to be found. One midfield, one more game where the Guinea Bissau for na one dominating midfield no. Me who any ube who any no on wings or right wing now about left wing. So me I don't know the pattern of player in Carlos Cruz and I would expect a particular change. Our Mayfield or Abrante friend or Hamdi Fatty good old Fatty or Ali Mayfield or Boache tournament I'm saying any seat time was any with to me a Boache so on our bench having on our bench any Zizo so you performance even against we know Nigeria no yadini bemo you performance or danedi on also with experience and then the current form no I expect say obe to me a change ma Abrante and so to me abebo Salio against Nigeria when you can start one game ni bikra this time round one man opportunity to start mention down who partnering Abrante friend Mohamed and then they've been wasteful method but for attack they've created numerous chances at least they should have been a goal up and I say a goal or two because one many chances one way to me hit it back twice from Mohamed Salah and Umar Mamouche into that crucial chances are almost to me a bar no any referee coach goalkeeper no na aboa Mosha Abrante friend Jonas Monday honestly to me aye juma ye papa saves to be away to me aye no so I think say the attacking force air function is only down to the attackers are more current say one be clinical to find the back of the net. With the exception of that, I think that one more deficiency pa method deficiency pa or method they have to at least one more then it will help their transition na ama attack and so to me function. Okay. This time football method if we tighten method game ube to me control now when your overall way of the game then you see the direction of play.
Okay, I know Krobia Asante. And I was saying, okay, me German offense writer, and they offer toss me live commentary, and so at me, Belinda saw that suit Belinda, or suit Belinda would do a old council on my or Anna Belinda or on it, Nema Mina, and it's Intimincha Belinda, Belinda Cranton, yes, on any mammy, and I finish a Bemomuti show, no Umuti commentary writer. Umuti papa, yeah, and writer. The German offense, what's the
Mamiafa, second department of the game now so information for. Yes, wrestling god. I say, what's going on, bro? Charlie, nothing they go on, no, bro. If the commentary vibe we they do. So, wrestling god, you be brutal, papa, and I will call YouTuber. I'm a footie, papa. Yeah, teacher CKP, we brutal. Yana tesa mafu PMOT live commentary. Te woko YouTuber. Obega say right there no kate sa. Kwa be uma no kate sa. But here commentary. Krobia Sante wawene chekama hetia say. And then the power ni we no na identity first one no. Ete first one no. After this say, yeah. Two bosses are come back crank Tifoswa Joe Pali Wabidi. Commentary position. The writer commentator alongside Krobia Santi, AK Aswa Poa, Mr. Timnia Solid, Woko Piema, DJ CKP, Hadia Toswa YouTube Amant for Johnny Papa. Krobia analysis in ya. Na Amafo. Drop a commentary sa to ban subscribe ya my wo hate ban so na da adoma bi na wo no kran na umnya pe na dia to all notification be paper pick pa you get it command ratio 97.1 ya Japan AFCON 2021 boys netie mame phone netie mame chiama ma we bruta ma wutie me menimo timba to ye bruta da wutie me menimo tin so ye bruta papa wutie me ye bruta and ye ji for nobody he anfa brad na anfa ete wa wutie bia no wu ye bruta papa wu ye bruta swati ma 3 just o ma kama Yapa 48 minutes. 48 minutes. Wopia shopia. Krobia, Akoya said, I don't know about thing. Ediama Egypt.
Yeah, I know bad thing. I said that we can say, one method from the onset. Abranti I friend, and Mohammed El Neni, and El Salia, and Yadia will to me Abuakra. And Oshe coach need to me a changer or the Mohammed Hamdi said Yamidi can many Nebo Abranti say this time round won't be here will be on to be to me aboa. Now wait to me and making sure to be protecting me for the answer. One to be to me more of the ball me for now I said one more asset one more transition going into the attacking phase. So a good change from any Carlos Cruz so the Abranti I friend Mohammed Hamdi into to me abima. Ononso eba abeboa ejuma no nkoso but it's been good and me hu Mohamed Salah was second half mu early stage me hu say pre kakra and I'm expecting more Mohamed Eneni asanaji and yellow card na just say game no ano say no say game no Mohamed Salah
ete abratiate ete Mohamed Elneny Waba Vajikan, Wajikan. Butcher, ne Rastan Eldaswa, Pohapa. Rastan ye Poha. My Ethiopia Montasoni from afar. Wa Wutie, Wa Wutifia, when you have phobia babai. When you have Pesebia Mubi, Belkubia Deary, and you have a Presabia Papai. Na Wuti or Commandratio. Yes, we are bruta. Woye skutios ozomama gaganga. Oye pandudundon gaganga. Abratia Rasi God, I say tough to prefer for Salah with heavy winter air shadows. Te wane so diaba. Ase Mohamed Salah no. Tough to perform. Mohamed Salah. Aire Shepherd Tantiamano. What you my picture? Guinea Bissau. Woman Tosu at a Racing God. Woba, no subscribe, Yamae. Now I share. You need to share, then you tell your friends that will share, then it's going to be a share. Racing God, fantastic, good evening, I come out. You need to say, we are Ghana new, say, we are Egypt new, so we are you because Brafuna will try and yet Ghana for abroad for. Those kind of performance South Africa, or Martina UK, or Martina Germany, Honor Brafuna, because Brafono, yes, I family soon 10 times. Racing God, fantastic, catch out. Amafuetie papa. Amafua monitor. Air commentary from afar. What a cable standard. Part of it was about two chassis. What Pierre was so tapasso. What a share. Number 4 chassis. El Sulia, which I want tapasso. At the moment, El Nani. Now running at the body part. What I want the Amaprante Sulia. Sulia at the body part. Number 6 chassis. Tabi Amera. Amera body part tapasso. What a Panama protected at the moment on Nani and then Pachachi. Watch upon it beautifully. Moment on Nani, which I want to pass. But a couple papa. Oh, ma, come on, Toby. That's a Guinea Bissau. What may put it for? Pon your free kick. And my ball quoting. And the Guinea Bissau, Protected at your ma. What a game, Krabia, I'm a match of boss. But for boot.
Yeah, and they are not showing any respect to the Egyptians at all. Unzanka, Guinea Bissau in Egypt, there will be that respect to say, hey, any seniors in the boat. Then, even coming up against another one more attack, that fear will be there. Say, oh, young because one more better Salah will piece. But I think, say, one more coach, they understanding any players, route. Technically and tactically, everything is working perfectly for them. And and there's no fear and there's no respect. Said other teams, sometimes anyway, that fear factor. No, Guinea Bissau for no be at all in this particular game, and they are playing to their standard and matching that of the Egyptian players, and so 1-on-1, 1v1, and 2v2, everything, every angle is working perfectly for them. And we share the central pair of Abrante Freno Zakante and Nemani, one way to me, and their height and one body balance, one more strength on the ball. I think they've been superb, and none of the air balls, and I say 50-50 balls, you can see, say, one way to me, air ball, one more and to me and a good side from them. One more to me. One more bonnie say it will be very negative for any the Egyptians. One more dinner now gross of cry.
Bono Aire Asapenta Kemna Sapenta Admabo Kwate at Egypt. Pepia Bonetano. Oh mama. And number 16 Chelsea. Apretete Are Kasama what you put the Tifrebo. And I say, hey, why going? And I say, I'm going to score. And I say, Kwe, going to score. Come here, let me pull your set. We're pulling the shot to the camera. Dangerous position. But be a body teno. And we are papa. And my Egypt. Sekiri. And Nike Moya. Guinea Bissau. Boy, Nike Moya. Obet me, I walk it through. A simple cry. Upon your free kick. Dangerous position. Mamma mia. 55 minutes. Popia Panatane Wu. I can see, say. I say it. Number 2 shot Chelsea. Fali. Hey, Kanti. Fali Kanti. Hey. Akwe Pabla.
Too high. Too high. My power be too much. The boy the idea. I say penalty be na we just like say human war
yes.
but baby abon it done there you could have done better.
Abratia Folly Kani, Abratia Folly Kanti, and AG for never no AG Tibo, yeah. Nesu goalkeeper Brajona as a share. My Iresa Benta. Ete Buawutie live Okuma 97.1 Flight Netu and yet 2 Kopiemo Abratia Folly Kanti Pecha Debbie Mama.
Another too high pass from Abranti Efreno Kandi to Endeno Abri, and he nearly find him. Nearly find him, and that could have been the first goal for Guinea Bissau.
Look at it. Wow. Abranti Folly Ekroma Enka FA Enka Tisha Wanke Fati but LI so Folly so Fati Folly sa Abranti Altiade Abdallah Efimu Ama Abranti Tresiket Ekwagoshem Tresiket Ekwagoshem 40 Swepie Mustafa Epie Ama Ziza Swakoshem
Changer na many eke eyewe no midi kan me bo Abranti Efreno Zizo din say Mayford no are very weak, so they will need a player like Ene Hamdi and I say Fati and I say Zizu, and these are two players me share him say Sulia and Mohamed and then able to me Efrima or Musube to me, but this time round why different change Mohamed and any or maintaining name Zizu and so about the add up, so one more corner and they 4-4-2 having Abranti Efreno and the Mohamed Salah up front, Trezeguet and the Omar Mamouche every play around Mohamed Salah, and I think they able to me about Trezeguet be also the another force as an attacker also the back end in the game against Nigeria. That particular game none of them Egyptians players and our Mushed so apart from Hegazi at the back or prevented different and I say difficult occasions or prevented the Nigerians to double the lead and to score another goal our born from the midfield by the attack they weren't all that solid, and this game what Bemuno expectation to be to me add something new and something better, that energy to that of Salah no more. There is more time every was to me any at least a goal because they cannot afford to lose this game at all from the Nigerians. They cannot afford to lose this game. A big disgrace.
At the Abranti team and Stephen Brafimo Ama Bra Georgie no Georgie Ababi says probably
a similar spelling to
yes
Italian boy I was seen a kind of match Chelsea Jorginho Pepe, but this is a Jorginho or no black, so a bit to me about or a Brazilian descent because Brazilians most of them almost that black color no very dark, and Jorginho I don't know or a Mayford and so far Jorginho the Mayford will play the year as a registrar, so let's see there are any Guinea Bissau who Jorginho on the shores of Africa. I am sure they are not to be to me they are buying into this game.
Still game no cheku Abranti Jorginho na babeshebo goalkeeper Jonas Mendes wachebona tobone tepaso enya America papa wa Abranti mama pejano so say Fatua mame I'll do something number 17 shot Chelsea Abranti mama Bravi and Yatia Faso 21 shot Chelsea Armabo Kwate Ariaya Egypt what a paracola chita paso Egypt Mratenepa is it Abranti Atene Asuliana what a paracola chita paso whichever man Abranti number 2 shot jersey wode so apia wachem nema Uma kama tausaligoto kama bona bode tuako apabedi number 2 shot jersey wode kama goalkeeper Mohamed Ramo mo shot ni mo center pass mo apia mo so tete abrante Mohamed Salah waira o game ni mukra mo Salah apabedi abrante Oma nipa miasa ref say wake up. I said and I'm waking up. Was on the paso. Guinea Bissau. What can I do? Nesia was up up. Ya was up. Get a player not to form. A pratia. Adetia de Kasama. A pratia Kasama. Rieto Kasama. Watomete. Added defenders and answer strikers. A forward quarter the Pharaohs of Egypt. Ya post 62 minutes. Inside the second half. Still goalless draw. Pierre Shepie. Say yes, say dear. See, Nigeria being 6 points. Guinea Bissau being 2 points. Each is better to Sumia saying 1 point. Now, Bobo Kwati. And Sudan. 1-0 now. Krobia.
Sudan already or
1 point, yes, yes.
Guinea Bissau 0-0.
Indeed, Abasana, it just knew last game, number home. Say yes. It I know come on no. Hey, AFCON, the papa. Any AFCON, the papa, AFCON, the papa. Rafi Simone throwing. I stand coach and my ball quarter. I take Guinea Bissau. I say Ombruino. Emiliano was your head coach. Uratine Kante and your brother Mama Pecha Tabi Mama Minko Scoopio Makapu Mayor Fisherman Minko Scoopio Makapu Mayor Fisherman Dabi. It's a funnel. I get a papa. Sorry, money. In there. Number 6 shot Jesse. A protecting Prima County. We'll put you with your papa. Refuge. Pacific. Nabi no metraso enkana aka no ye nabi ha wa ni money hey Godfrey din de ti nabi na de be isu Burundi on nya no omneti yo. What a game. Wow. Krobia and this year I shock you. Okay.
Looking at the way in a Guinea Bissau for a ball game no. And this year because Egyptians need to ensure anything say yes, this is a game I was say at all costs yet to say you win. One show your cry though they are making some threats. 18-yard box of any Guinea Bissau for no. But what must you do the defense of Sangrante any Abrante friend of money.
Yes.
I think that papa this attacking force of any Egyptians, you know, omo to me handle omo papa goalkeeper no so abon home this time Jonas Mendes omo to me abon home and still now despite the change, you know, you could see the battle of Enenu Nugura and Kasama still now omo winning boss, you know, most of the balls winning and omo winning Mayfield, you know, that central area why na omo winning and they still keep on dominating the midfield. So let's hope for if there could be more change from the Egyptians, you know, say we make too many results, you know, and a draw Edinburgh.
Dabi Bonafa a protected Jefferson and Yatia Faso Egypt never know. Yeah, Egypt yeah. Pharaoh for Domnibo. Pharaoh for Dabi and the Guinea Bissau share Amamba so media grokra. Apratia de Hey Jefferson. Womo popo, Guinea Bissau bobo, Guinea Bissau, Woma Tiavasu, Guinea Bissau, what to the bossy, Brad Jefferson, Jack, and a fasten so, what to the bossy, Wabetiache, Wapaquaco, and you benyana. Hey, Crabby Guinea for someone said I is I
one more dear, who share players.
When you're judging our babies, Yana,
who share players are Womuji anymore now, Woman Jedi in Trusubia, Woman Yada efficient, but just like. One more 88, one more coach, instruction. Then again, they approach into the game, one more making sure say there was a woman they will do their all. Then their back line, one more so to me Juma, Mayfield, one more to me Juma, but attackers in there, they have nothing to write on about. One more
live Okuma Radio 97.1 AFCON 2021 Ariachi Kuja Yere live commentary depa akwe brand na fomwe ene mama ni bonne po ene mama me go school bio me couple me ye fisherman me go school bio me couple me fisherman ene faro fono she faro for na fo number 7 shot Jesse Apratiate Trasiki Bobo Boboshi Another Chasa Nuja and Yatia Faswan and Abby Guinea Bissau Wabom Bim what is what was at Atavaso Guinea Fonepa they are dominating Santa Sako what can do Willie Tabby Guinea Bissau Crabia
one Bobo Nina one a very tight one more winning all the balls at the back. Then the midfield, one more controlling midfield, winning all balls, dominate play. But when he gets to the final third, then how much ball nap him? It's either as a 40 pass and as a one to baby. I mean, they are not one problem, but in all, and Kawomo to me a game pa, they even deserve to have been a goal up by now.
Ate Dabi Rafia Chico Mohamed Salah Bosegono Krobia Sante now Kasa.
Yeah and go need to me about this very important goal from an Egyptians and as I said earlier they cannot afford to even draw this game. It will be an offense. They cannot afford being the the masters of this competition. Now first game and second game ball against and it make it every game it make it a difference. So what a goal. And whenever Obama Mohamed Salah this free roll Monday and is a granted Woma Yejuma Nina at the back Woma Yejuma Nina at the back but Womu Janu free here to or marked Womu Jam Mohamed Salah or marked then poor goalkeeping from Abrantia friend Jonas Mande. Ononsono has been very good from the onset. Waye Juma keepy ni team no in the game still. We keep it team no in the game still. Into any who back line now from the goalkeeper Juma Woma here from the onset to this minute Hamdi no any Jumas are granted any man no my Kandi no mono Juma Woma ye say go away now one more I think say one more than cry because they've done better, they've blocked, they've saved one more be crucial way stages in only I don't know one more to me saving but look at the goal to me and only I will be also near bed things will be to me but and that's a to be anymore or the neck or control nature de kitwe bi o de canopy
yes
nature de kiti ade kitwe and I am here despite say me war Egypt na me hope for the arena the way I go near fast so by no pay juma wo my no I think say one I had the woman but they could still have a chance looking at chances I will creating if they have been sufficient in front of goal. By now, I think Zankefe na Egypt momo it will be an equalizer against them. But you know, Egypt deserve this very 3 points.
Abratia Tini Mohamed Onani never body a crochet papa Mohamed Onani but it broke out Egypt Mohamed Salah was first goal Ariama Egypt so Guinea Bissau 0 Egypt 1 Apabidi Abrantate no 3 shot Soma Kama what a pona collection top passo Area Koma Ahmed Yibone Fio Portable Quantini Guinea Bissau Center Circle Rafi Ashe Frinyat ya boss 72 minutes aka 80 minutes ni Endrich Medina Brante Mohamed Onani Ndotia Crochet Erimabo Kwate Area Egypt Guinea Bissau they are swinging their passes together. What can they do? Nice play ball standard. Searching forward, looking for his player. Passes about to number 50 shot at Chelsea. Jefferson will place the ball in the center circle. Wome Piaboreso and he on fire. Wabobon bim. Nasobana trash Yamapono. I throw ya Tori to a Guinea Bissau. Sir Egypt and Guinea Bissau ball. Naso Tifani Boa Bransa. Dabi it was not offside. Nanya offside cry. Nanya offside. Krobia Nanya offside cry. Na Piano.
It wasn't an offside cry. Or didn't went to a very good position. Knowing say crossing a bit to me about most Salah is used to this and obey we house here. We defend obey we house here because you will not be thinking so be our waiting. But these are some of the instincts and traits are how to make this shape. So it wasn't an offside at all.
Game no Ego Sue Cheku live on a command 97.1. The writer commentator near TWC for short. Yachepai the Messer Tillet commentary about command radio 97.1. Teacher CQP Woko YouTuber what they are toso Abratia Antiade Racing God Abrante Bruta message was Salah brilliant. Abratia Racing God Rex and in God into the Okanya can say nyade. And Rasna what a save! What a save! Goalkeeper Jonas Krobia.
Yeah, Obono Mode, but I think say wins to know as I San Haiti we post to know. San so he wins we yes, so 3 times in the first half, one more hit post to know twice. Then again this one they had the opportunity to double lap their lead. Now and also to me a silly win. What so what are they? No. They were unlucky. But I think say almost to me I'm my minutes of Mo Salah nyani go here. Also to me Abimani so far I share 46 goals. Over 77 games and I say 77 games for
the national team
okay. And I watch 46 goals and you know and also you Mo Salah so no more than one and wabo more than over 40 goals in less than 80 games today.
Yes.
No more than also any our national side pa.
Si Abratia Mohamed Salah era Krobia Sante Elpona Basosa Abrane dia enko sa enko temsa Otran yame atuma tre kosiada Ubia ba kwa asole Mamu kwa asole mun kwa asole Atena kosiada ubia ba kwa kosom nyame Yare chimo mume ama Kristo wasafo Salut Rafi se sur le share to subscribe D'après Siso Wepecha Porabedi Mohamed Onani El Nani El Chemia Mazizwana Ye Abrate Uma Kama El Chemia Ma Uma Diama Abrate Siso Suso Diamo Ma Kama Kame Pecha Dabi Tabiafa Abrate Ati Tresigi Krabia.
Yeah, Mohamed Hassan Tresigi I think say ono so buy no oboa we ni mu an sign born on a way any year. I know the call in a goal kick, but I think in all Egypt for no this goal very important to them and getting all the 3 points, and so be to me about yepa. Okay, Guinea for now any 1 more year changes. Changes by was what the one attacker Abemoene and one Mayford into one game Mayford in India and then we need Mayford battle now. Then attacker with me I mean him do on so they on board because the first 3 attackers or the Obo any day they've been wasteful. So almost being here reinforcement I'm will be for friends with me about woman who minister Akano woman with their almost with me in your film.
All right, Scorpio Sante. And you be put Tabi Bonanko and Yasala Nebano Yashasalo Ye la hailala. Oh mama, what can I do? Naso me yefio Abratia tene Oma never tia grow anymore. Oma Fimu Ma Sharif Oma Befim Sharif Nebe Manano. Sheriff, Sheriff.
Yeah. Okay. I made mention of Mohammed Sharif of Al Ali, the experience. Ali game our ball over the shores of Africa, Champions League, Oko World Club Cup.
Yes.
Ningina and with me participating. Then Egyptian League, so dominated watch. Or a very young chap, very young chap, under 25 years player. And I made mention of our branch friend of Fatty. So no Mayfield, one very weak, and one moving your branch able to say Fatty, and of course, also one more than Abba. I mentioned a branch friend Mohammed Sharif. So also be to me right now, a bit to me a free Mohammed Salah, own to me and drop him, but Mayfield no deep so be far born on as an tracky. So Mohammed Sharif, he does on the base age man as a Mo Salah, but no ahead of Mo Salah. Then at least one more man is a. He said they are not going to get a second goal, won't be to me maintaining. But the defense of Guinea Bissau for no, they will be under threat due to more of attacking players. Carlos Gura said to me, they won't be me. So this is how I give no bet to me. I will best set on the Egyptians and also let me set it.
Yariti Momome, Ama Christopher Safo. You will be sure to that. Baby, I'm there. Yarichi, Momo me ama Christo. Yarichi, Momo me ama Christo Asafo. And kind of son, Minima dear Sogra, Maya, Mihuda. The boy, Esiano Matono, the boy, the fire commentator, and answer the freedom commentator, the boy, no. About commentary, your friend, the second commentator, the boy Waba Guinea Bissau. I'll talk about long go to you. Method is for Embrante Osha Oguyi Waba. The boy. The boy Wabe do about Sam Sanyumi, Yarichemo Mome Amaki, so as a fool. Sound my yard, the boy. The boy, Quava. Yeah, fine.
Would the more a punchy cracker?
A punchy cracker. Okay.
I come in very cool.
Omuti.
Would the Mibana Crobia Emma analysis speaker? Yes. And I'm to come.
Okay. A punchy cracker. I will Kuga. PM. Omi Bruta. Some guys are medium support. Yeah. Coach Milo means support. Okay. The almost Sanwa. Okay. Almost an idiot. All right. I'm here. You're a trim mummy. Okay. I'm a Christo Asafo. It's me a conem. Okay, so Christo Asafo, remember me, I'm a Christo Asafo. To me, Ako. Mummy, I'm a Christo. Yariche ama Christo Asafo. Ama Christo Asafo. Atumi akwaponenim. Yariche. Momo me ama Christo. Ti nyame adimo chira man kwa sore kwa ma ya ma sore wa asi. Ana the boy.
Okay.
Nyame adimo chira me no beso. Se ba se me so me ba se no beso wa chira.
Asore dan no ni padua no.
Okay, yes.
India Asia dan.
Okay.
Unti oko Israel Solomon temple na adwiri agu. Eno cheso mo nkwa asore.
Omeko.
Ase Christo say asore dan ni padua no.
Okay. Ti the boy no Materi from Rate Hene Ujana. They were so many of Becania. And yeah, Abrantia Mama. Ye, Mama, no, de Mama never know. Hey, only what I saw your mama cry. And your mama, better go. Mama, no, de Papa, no, de if you want to kill me, can die. Phobia.
Yes, go naba and Makacho was Egyptians now Shenia.
They are shocked.
Womu bet to me, adibe to me afa woma say. Since the commencement of this competition, me who go way be. I'm telling you, this will be the best goal so far.
Oh, tournament
with day. My best goal, my best goal so far.
Probably should be on Chebono. Share. Olusu control. Look at
they take on. The drive 1, 2, 3. That shot. Check the precision, the technique. What a goal! So far, my best in the tournament.
The boy.
Egypt players no more was as no football. We become
yes.
So block no.
Kwam yes.
And we been Ghana player now. Or she has to join the them.
But you cry. You banned 3 matches.
Sa player no can be
Benjamin.
Can be a Kwasiapia Lusune. The coaching we in Ghana. So Kwasiapia and friend. Not some friend the be you for never or buy no. As soon as you wow. It you know the Egyptians they shouldn't behave as if they born a American. The late Rashidi Yakini the be as America. But the football no any American. Ahode eka ho what you say e dey ahode ene e dey bo ene ohwe kwan a Raheem Sterling ene mo ne omo dey Chelsea for fast no yeah what you say yes
go na ya
e bi asua bo bi su ni mbo yeah ntino we say Guinea Bissau for anyom a omo no president say mo ankofa ma
Guinea Krobia say Guinea
enu ye Guinea Bissau
yes
ye wo Guinea Bissau Equatorial Guinea
Guinea Conakry na anyom ala and the more no near nyi enko yesa ya anti Egypt no ball no amanfo asuabo amanfo asuabo enye obi a nanim bo so say o to nyom no everybody can sing
yes. But
it is not all people that know how to sing enye obi a nanim nyom to obi a betumi ato nyom
chale omo check it
ya munyi e kan ubi
dabi
e kan ubi
it was a goal we no omienu no kwa for
wamunyi masa wamunyi
ete abratia mama oh mama me nyom na ye kwa na mama suba hwe suba hwe boni yo oh Krobia the boy
prevented man nko
yes.
Buy no
yes
prevented Jonya ya no
it was a goal che go obeje Echo and no Echo yes oh wanje oh Krobia wanje wow oh
ne left
Krobia okay Krobia
yeah okay diama abrante no referee no entumi anje ball here na wo mu nyina ekura wo mu but wo hwe aye say ono ne left leg no etumi ball abrante no ne right leg so tiasi yeah aside 50-50 no referee no hu ni say ne nine no the one nine no ball no me gidi say no an ye key way but this goal wow
so but it was it's a mama oh mama no dey oh we do 85 minutes mama no dey Suba look at the goal very look at Suba obi a block etu onu so ni mo oh ete Rofi as go no anje VAR really go no off Wow. Every time you tell the team, they have gotten their eyes and their head in. They have gotten their head it. The team. What a game! 86 minutes. 4 minutes more to go. And Victoria Guinea. Then Victoria Guinea. Guinea Bissau. And Serbia. Mohamed Salah. Egypt 1. Yapo 86 minutes live. Abratia Teade. Racing God. And that Racing God. You need to my YouTube. I say map it on. Jama map I say go fire. Dabi. I say any Guinea players in European leagues. Okay. Eti Kwabia check it. Guinea players from European leagues na Guinea players no.
Yeah.
Ebi more European leagues no.
Oh no, not at all. Been more but a minus.
Okay.
Minus class now more no encouraging at all.
Okay.
Been more ball maybe one particular player or ball French. I think Division 3 crowd.
Division 3. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Such questions never na yen we say Africans we be answer such questions because we have everything which me sustain a place we have.
Yes.
I will raise the empire say yankwa na nka say yeah etutu enema ye na crap players number be see a kind our continent is my for all you know Africa is the richest continent in the world with the with the poorest people. Such questions they say bisakra.
Yes.
Yeah, there's one African country a kind me mokroni di and rather make just a Cameroon as at 87 no more 8 million carats of gold e wo femo muntu da e just na muntu na mo wan kope bi te Messi no me see aka mfa my no be say obo tell such questions never na me come at but yeah ma
yes
ama ne agu esa na edu yeah
Abranti Oshego is here Osina kind ma Troy yeah
okay.
Mama Bando Osina kind ma Troy our French League 1 anymore then ubenya Abranti Feno Pipeti
yes.
Pipeti no e was so that
okay.
is a League 2
2
me fan say Obagana ha Division 1
one more can so
ba konso bo ba konso Sangrante wo mo number 5 no so bo choro 2 and so yeah me fan say Division 1 I say Division 2 for England Championship then League 1
okay look at Turu I say Adia Sunam Turu
yes one more bomb na mum no one more lower we crab minus clubs crown
okay eti Racing God one sano what buy be yama efiano sakofo gua and now we see and na je o ana ma me bi say me ba solo ntie awoda de bia mu online order say yeah the boy ma me da and na ma me bi say ntie ya me da trophy na dey esua de nti question is about
adwuma no saa ye sua enwie the media adwuma no I just say wo pension no ko pension ko adwuma betamo na ye do akọ research what you say obi say Larry King no mo omo awie adwuma no e Britain but still omo ye adwuma abranti bi ya me hwe no Shaka Shiley
okay
ono we interview Rollins am nije no pa yeah BBC African way yeah what you say yenya Sanidara
yes
so ye adwuma Ghana FF
yes
but aso ye adwuma BBC ndi adwuma we there yenwi what you say and say onya niema ebetumi akwepo na otumi akwo yeah phone papa yeah headset papa nisika papa talk credit yeah
the boy no hey the boy I say phone papa ko bi asem anya phone akuta o ya research and do ete Racing God roughly 4 minutes na to so our YouTube so far comment kwa neba I say Rafino a weak decision banner Rafini take here yapo 19 area I catch just 4 minutes at Rafi Edberto Sono number 2 Santa Jesse Abranti Amante we bodo fio apabri bobo kwate area Idris Mo Salah Mohamed Salah Ere Papin Mohamed Salah Kwekero obede hwe osapalogo akwepa wa ho nyade odi odi banchi ebe ho
Salah no ye ni Christian name
okay
yeah
okay Salah ni Christian and Muhammad ni ye
Christian name ni Salah no
okay ati the boy na wabado eno no team one more a just say yes Abranti ate ade Kante Brahma Kante no ma say shot just say what Salah say hey She obo Liverpool ameno masoma waso avanya mezogra. Number 60 Sata Jesse Kasama Apratia Kasama Wati yellow card Esansa Rafi. The decision was Angelo Atevaso Dapi Ponameti Mama Ne Mama Bobo Papa Rafiachi Okuma Radio 97.1 Team no Aya Solid and Guinea Bissau Tima Woma Bobo Pa Yomo Miltiaga se Tima Woma Jomo Mashomo Gema FPA Guinea Bissau name Eyomo I say Nigeria Bobo but Guinea Bissau na game we me expect so me Bobo sa she wow Guinea Bissau Aprata tini Kamoma Wujabon Mutapaso Eshama Aprata Sito Nesetiaka Barbari Aprata Diri Sito Zuzo Denitu Zizo Zuze Piabar Sodiamoma Kama One shot on one Seriama the goal scorer Mohamed Ayasala then Oshley Hichabon Mo and you know my say Kandi Abrante Mama Nesu Piano number 13 Sata Chasi Manti Wape Mono Irisha Benta Nyamiad Mochna Ghana Premier League Match Swapa and there Kodoko and the Chelsea board draw Echo Golden City Park Dalari Ibrahim Nedie Wabeji Post na fase Abrante Dini Razak Noko I met this some Kofa Felix Aba. She Felix Wambao. The Amudi Ayeni.
Check Salah spelling no man na Friday.
Mohamed Salah.
Salah no. L-E-H. Enti no ka say Salah no Christian name. Genesis 10:24.
Okay.
And Genesis 11:12.
Okay.
Genesis 11:13. Genesis 11:14. And Salah lived 30 years and begat Eber. Yeah, until Genesis 10:24 no. And Afex begat Salah, and Salah begat Eber. And then in the Christian name, and it's Salah no.
It's the boy no share. The boy ko one time cardio de baba ne bi ne. Asena bobo kwate. Ere wafa. Any dreams of see. Toby. Body throwing last minute. Last days are dangerous. Last days are dangerous. Otina Ghana Premier League. What for the Dreams FC? As good. Any Amina Sharks. Indiana Stars. Yay. Indiana Stars and Accra Lions. House of Folk. Neil F. Wonders. RTU. Everybody Penny Ghost Stars. Metiama. Everybody Quatini Accra Great Olympics. Namante Legon City. Everybody 90
Morato say one.
Yes.
Anubina
Kasama yes.
Esenga anubina yede Ishaku Eba. Na ko ba be ye. Uzo try shot.
Yes.
Try shot. Sana nka say Eba na Obaba ye Magana.
Wow. Rofia Bow Egypt. Every by long go to New. Yes, Krobia. 1-0.
Yeah, right. Yeah, Abujuma and one month Abujuma pa, and you know, right. Game no so far 90 minutes to me and I think as I said earlier on this is a game Egyptians one more superior over any other country or so far as AFCON air concerned. Oba Hanoma woman the creme de la creme nation one more ebo AFCON one more to me a title no do up 7 times there. Just say one more than bono. So nichi ubi bia anyway to me abe pay more competition him and say who book competition ya until say Egypt be film no wa wo mu bia to me mbusti say wona ka kwaje trophy no until say Egypt be film no because one more na you know bibia ewo one side but this is a game I don't think say one more rebefi or abrabo mu that this is a game me to me aka say and despite say wo manya win no one more game way abre ye than that of the Nigeria and one more bueno ama one game ye power and I didn't expect Guinea Bissau say to me about game in Muse. In all BBI to me echo ye in favor of Egypt and they deserve it.
Okay.
And per players, per records, everything shows there is nowhere in a Guinea Bissau able to me stand before and as in front of Egypt. And to know more to me about money, coach I have friend no Carlos and the Gures. Medin can say Hosam El Badri to me have a ball over 15 games.
Yes.
Win lose a single game, but Egypt for to me no proud to this tournament just because when we say any selection any day where Egyptian national team no bono woman in Jehuntino on Kofi and our invest huge sums of money into this man, a 68-year-old. Our records will coach you one of the biggest clubs and as if not the biggest on earth Real Madrid. Wait to me coach you amuntu records any achievement you will be pay and the other one nature say one you do about tournament no brabeje because Egypt edge tournament ni bi ayeden ache yepa since 2010 enya dia wo to me age tournament ni bi nti ehun be hia say this time round wo mo be to me aba beje e ho no mo wo hwe 2011 wo mo to me appear 2015 wo mo to me appear then 2017 wo mo ba in strong ama ene no wo mo koya to ko do final until any host nation Cameroonians no it to me e share by 2-1 woman so AJ trophy no every one same and till now 2019 woman to me a host competition no Egypt. It took South Africa and a just from the group stage after some qualify from the group stage round of 16 and South Africa shall more 1-0 our more every mo. So 2019 they had a very disappointing in the tournament woman host. Before then, now we host competition for 5 times. We win out of 5. Now we to me win 3 times out of 5. We host until we share 2019. There too, it was a very disappointment way, and I say disappointing results, and I say exit from the competition. We host the soil until we share since 2010. We share that be we said yeah expect it and. Egypt, FNO, any OBBA, say these players they will give their all. Carlos Queiroz, Ebeye Jume Bia was on here to clinch the ultimate for them. Cameroon and the Osha performance. I want more Edanedi against Nigeria. I want more lose that game now. There was a game we know and Kawamu show Bribi enye Bribima enye something different. But me Bribi are different.
Okay. And
if it's going to continue like this, I don't think so. From the group stage, I won't be to me qualify no. And China, the IC here in 2019
okay.
Round of 16 they are a quarter final won't be to me a film. If they are going to depend on this style of play from Carlos Queiroz, method will always be a one method, diamond opposition and as opponent to just operate woman use method, just like that. The attacking force Omar Eneno Bashiru Arinya Dieye Juma Mohamed Salah despite so go no near efficiency of them. So I will expect much more from them if this time round person will make amends upon the IC here in 2019 when saw South Africa you will film round of 16. Then again 2017 when we lose the title to Cameroon. Then from there 2012 we went to me and show up. 2015 we went to me and show up. And the last time was 2010. So I was a woman bribi. Coach na Kenya playoff na nkasa World Cup playoff no minje disobey to me the Egypt about because this Egypt I'm seeing woman to me in trophy no. Then again Egypt woman FNO edinya eno sabota se no mfama Carlos Queiroz kra, so he needs to lift up the game. Even go kra to me do final. I think say maybe a home pono it will be very difficult.
Okay.
So far as I mean English Egypt FNO,
yes,
it will be very difficult. Say even final cramp no manabo World Cup playoff.
All right,
but
so
in all, I think say one more and deserve the win.
All right, so Krabia Asante and I'll take a boy Kakrana. So
I am say me nka Krabia Kanina, but boy, never getting me
sure.
You call your training grounds pendulum balls cry nibi.
Oh,
what they say.
Okay.
Your ball you and I say Mosala ayino or a catapult vest.
Okay.
You check his speed. You check him be brave.
Okay.
I know you say the Egyptians, they are investing much in their football. What they are the ball, no?
Sure.
They see a ball at Danny, ball and you go and him. what I say boot a man for chene ade nyina no in soto sesi a teams be one ma omo team mo ball no bio what I say yes we are baby na me catch obi say ball commentary and sports Ghana ha no move from Kotokoshe 1 has J2 but instead has J2 na Kotokoshe 1 so what I say until you see the Egyptians they've come in with so many things so what I say and then football are ready to occasion say ye she go we are ye nema to from say go na kwese no efin bi wo ho ana so what I say ye the ahoden ye the pace ye the style ye the history ye the pedigree and a ball this time around me kaba be see go na wo mo anye amfama Guinea for no I think say one more VR room ho the omunyam niam yi okay what I say this kind of go ye prepare ball and the stronger man won okay and he shot and the ball na she yes yeah you van niagro okay so what I say ntino ye best ye VR for no ye referee ni sa ne man nyina no African Cup ye minjin this say ye bo World Cup ye ko World Cup this kind of officiating e be ko World Cup so what I say as Africans Debia no ye nsua ade papa what I say Jesus kwasi bruni e chance munya ne say asama kwakoye ne say so referees no can they use their discretion for matches to be won okay very easily ana all right good and you know the teams and countries omunyina oma ya ade mehwe ni mani bia ekokoso na one ye mo Cameroonians na nkasa no oma baso ohwa edu ba bi kura African Cup no mutimi host ni ade ye do ma se woni ma oma showcase these few days at the amaye so said and done I think the better side no won for the day good
all right so that boy and out in Kajumedi no abani we bobo kwa tene Guinea Bissau and she be so na Egypt ebo me kaba kwa bomo etumi Israel bobo kwa ten at Nigeria 6 points Egypt 3 points Guinea Bissau 1 point and Ukopiema Sudan so 1 point hormo Racing God or brutal obepmo YouTuber what in message na dia pa kama onkomo so no enya fediago so and away also with challenge now for once again this is going out to all my friends and my lovely girlfriends chia on down for such a lovely girlfriend I wish you okay good night and no Andy brutal pa happy birthday kashia koma ababo anitin ade safua happy birthday so si radema kwatente na ne da wakuma so bi rade enyama na nyiba yo obapa na omba be wo mo no omnye fefefe excellent namti safua happy birthday kashia enko enfamanti no ano koma no ye desi AK baby take over na super okay the no emfesia fasira no enfama ESLink security service womo eno so yasia ye the live commentary there by so per DSTV decoder na Go TV decoder bia pe bia no tawani factory o maso ya na installation bia no obetimi adawani obehu omo ebru from 24 02416672 85 02416672 bia so no entumi akonka team no solid abranti ante are krobia santilton ne kasa so na the boy ebe boy and AK what is on so ebe boy my bia so no entumi akonka head of sports Kofia Okori Ajima heso be boy so and as gibim na de call live YouTube DJ Donzi DJ Vibe nana ma solio and I make say as also na Abrante Tony DJ Tony woman boy Obed oko animo a wati agia di dem kama pa ono so eboy saso and Mr. Mo from afar was supporting nano tamia eso eboa oko piema and yes nana kwa imperi the finest woman eboa na jumidi no ye de abakama honkomo so no enye fediagro general manager Mr. AKB and check us here and come fantastic good evening and come the writer commentator ni nyame adobo chena di ba betenase the live commentary edi ebepa nyame adobo chena ye behia
with a heritage and spirit that never dies. The African dream will always survive.
Ici c'est la terre sainte, la patrie des dieux, bienvenue sur la terre-mère. Le nord, le sud, embrasse l'est et l'ouest, on vit le rêve de ma mère.
la tierra de nuestros abuelos.
Você sabe que as crianças são futuro, trazendo esperança para a próxima geração.
On donne tout pour l'Afrique de Djibouti au Sénégal. Comme mendiant, tout ce que je veux c'est soulever le Graal. L'Afrique est belle, l'Afrique est jeune, l'Afrique est forte. Enfant de la terre, mère, lève le poing et envoie-lui du love. Enfant de la terre, mère, lève le poing et envoie-lui du love.
Across the world, your full good party radio station.
Summer Radio.
Okuma Radio 97.1. We bring on the best.